Unravel the magic of phrasal verbs. Separable and inseparable. Hello there, English language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to delve into an important and sometimes tricky aspect of English grammar: phrasal verbs. More specifically, we will discover what separable and inseparable phrasal verbs are, and learn how to use them effectively in written English. Strap in, as we're about to unfold the mystery. Before diving into separable and inseparable phrasal verbs, let's quickly recap what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is a verb combined with a preposition or an adverb, or both, forming a unique meaning different from the original verb. Examples are turn on, break up, give in, and so forth. Understanding phrasal verbs is key to mastering everyday English, as they are widely used in both spoken and written contexts. Phrasal verbs can be categorized into two types: separable and inseparable. This classification is based on whether the object, the thing or person that the action of the verb is directed at, can be inserted in the middle of the phrasal verb or not. Now, let's move forward and understand each of them in detail. Separable phrasal verbs are ones where the object can be placed either between the verb and the preposition, adverb, or after them. For example, in the phrasal verb, turn off, you can say both, I turned off the TV, and I turned the TV off. Both sentences are grammatically correct and have the same meaning. On the other hand, inseparable phrasal verbs do not allow the object to be placed in the middle. The object only goes after the preposition, adverb. For instance, in the phrasal verb, run into, you can only say, I ran into my friend, not, I ran my friend into. The latter is grammatically incorrect. Unfortunately, there isn't a hard and fast rule to identify whether a phrasal verb is separable or inseparable. The best way to master this is by practicing and exposing yourself to English in different contexts. Reading, writing, and speaking in English can significantly help in understanding the usage of different phrasal verbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's a wrap on separable and inseparable phrasal verbs. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on this tricky aspect of English grammar. Keep practicing and using phrasal verbs in your conversations and writings, and you will eventually become more comfortable with them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.